Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Siri on your Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get started. So as a first step, let me show you how to disable her because by default the Siri is enabled on your watch. So for that, we can call out the Siri and say Open Siri Settings. Open Siri Settings. And now we are here. To disable the Siri fully, firstly we would need to go to the tab which is named Listen For and here choose Turned Off. As the next step, disable these two functions which is Raise to Speak and also Press Digital Crown. So we would need to disable it, and after this on your screen will appear message Turn Off Siri. We click on this red button and this is it. Now you have successfully disabled the Siri. And now if you would like to enable her, we would need to firstly open Settings and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Siri. Here is it how it looks. Then we go to the tab Listen For. Here we can choose Hey Siri or Hey Siri. So here we got the notification which is saying enable Siri. We click enable. And here as a next step you can enable optionally Raise to Speak and Press Digital Crown. This is it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.